Although both roofing materials are membrane roofs, that's about where the similarities stop. One of the main differences is the seams, where they lap together. On a TPO roof, those seams are going to be heat welded together, and that heat weld performs much better than the EPDM seams, which are glued together. Another big difference is the reflectivity. TPO roofs are typically white, and they give a lot of reflectivity, and EPDM roofs are traditionally black. So if you're in a really hot climate, you want that white reflectivity to help with your energy bill. Next, repairability. TPO roofs are typically going to be easier to repair than an EPDM roof would be. One advantage that EPDM does have over TPO is its resistance to hail. It's rubber, so the hailstone can bounce off. The TPO roof is a little bit more rigid, and it can crack easier to a hailstone. On average, an EPDM roof is going to take longer to install, and that usually leads to a little bit higher cost. But one thing EPDM does have going for it is it has a really strong track record. The product has been out there for a lot longer than TPO. Each year, TPO is getting a little bit older, so that it's kind of erasing or minimizing that gap of long time performance. In most instances, TPO is likely to be the better choice for most building owners, but that doesn't mean all the time. So always ask your contractor, do you have any specific conditions where EPDM might be better? But typically that's why TPO is getting so much market share, because of the many advantages from its seams, its reflectivity, its ease of install and repair, which kind of lowers the cost. So most times TPO is going to be the choice.